super zoom, and then you had a 4 times as well. So your hip fire is not as accurate as an ADS, and you only had 10 rounds on the damn thing too. Not a good situation. Probably should have kept driving.
I was gonna say, I know where we're going.
I see 4 people on our little segment of the plane. Die, die, die! Where?
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people landing in this area.
Are those AFKs or? Yeah, those are the AFKs.
Only 2 or 3 of those guys were AFK.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. He's running up to my building now. I still haven't got a gun yet. No, I don't think he did. Yeah, shotgun. Thank you. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Underneath me right now outside the building. There he is. Oh, he has a gun.
I got a pistol. I'm pushing Carl's way.
Yep, he sees me too. Oh, there's 2 of them here. He just threw a grenade up at me.
Holy shit, that was so loud. I'm like fucking 100 meters away.
They got me. He pistoled me. He had a mini Uzi. How the hell those guys get that? So quick.
Yeah. I've only got 30 rounds. I mean, if we don't lose this, if we don't win this quick, I'm fucked. He's on the outside the building. He's jumping.
Jumped off.
His buddy's doing the same thing. We need you guys to get up here.
On the north side? Because I'm on the
West
south
side.
of this building right now.
It is. They're peeking at me. They're on the white defilade wall. Demon, you're gonna get an angle on them. I'm gonna pop out, show them me. Once they see you.
Thanks for avenging me, bros.
Any optics? Alright, I have a Car 98 right now. You want it? I mean, if you need it for backup, take it. I've got a shotgun.
Sorry, Carl.
Hey, no problem, man. Shit happens.
Yeah, they landed right on top of you.
Yeah, you guys came and killed them for killing me. That's cool with me, man. That's a event. That makes me a happy camper.
I bet they were confused as shit that silenced pistol though. I jumped out so they could see me, and then they still turned on you guys. So, oops, wrong helmet. What? No, 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 no. We're gonna loot this for a little bit at least. Man, I still don't have a weapon. I can't win the game with a pistol, dude. Well, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll give you that. It's possible. I didn't miss many shots there. For pistols, I'm improving with my pistol. It's one of the things I'm trying to improve with because I just refuse to pick up shotgun rounds. I got an extra 2x. Oh, and I got an extra 4x.
I will gladly take optics of any kind, shape, or size.
That's what she said. But she was a little desperate. She probably should have waited. Oh, yes.
Oh, you saved it. Lucky bastard.
Guns over, sure. Sweet SKS.
There you go, bro.
No.
I don't have it, so I don't have a 4x at all.
I do. Yeah, if you can't hold it, drop it. I've got an extra 4 and an extra 2.
I think there's an extra 4 to your left right there, Moat.
That's another 2 as well. There?
Yeah, I saw the other one. There must be glows or something at the end. It looked like it for a second.
Nope. You made me look around, Carl.
That tier 3 helmet.
Tier 3 helmet.
Fucking that Carl guy.
Car 98. Oh, someone's gonna love me long time. It's level 1 vest. I've got him for you. Shit.
There, another 4 time. They multiply like rabbits. I like that.
So I'm hunting for an extended mag in 5.56. Oh, here's the 5.56. No, I refuse to run those now too. Yeah. Dude, there's
another 4 times.
Okay.
Odie likes the crates, man.
Be good to me, yo.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, there we go. That should do it. Look, there's another 2 times over there too. You asked the wrong person. I don't know if they can even. Actually, not necessarily asking the wrong person. I'm that person.
You know, actually, I think when you first drop, you can't drown from. You have to die from the blue zone. But I don't think your breath starts clicking because you haven't started moving.
Well, I didn't get an extended mag, but we gotta go.
No, they sink to the bottom. If you ever drop AFK in the water like that, you sink to the bottom. And I'm pretty sure you don't start breathing until you start moving too.
Is that a Dacia in there? Yeah, it's a Dacia. Yep, meet me on the road. Meet me on the road, meet me on the road.
I'm on the road.
I'm just talking emphatically to myself.
Here, Demon, trade me
I'm
optics.
sexy and I know it.
Demon, trade me optics. Demon.
Alright, I still got 4 times for you and a bolt loop, but we'll do that once we get in.
He missed you. You're good.
I've only got one
Let's go.
energy drink after this one.
I hear another vehicle.
I trust Carl. I mean, give it a second. We can take the extra 2 damage to listen.
It was southwest of you. I think it's going over the bridge ahead of you.
No, you guys are sitting right. These are on the opposite sides. Is that a shotgun? It is a shotgun. Tom.
Yeah, all I got was a shotgun and 30 rounds for a SCAR, so I'm not gonna waste them throwing them out of the vehicle. We could swap after if you want, but let's get safe first. Yeah, I do have a gas can, guys, so...
I picked one up too. Sure. Guy right there. Fuck, I can't begin to explain it to you. They're all around here. Man. Close this door, close this door.
Fuck. He's right outside. Nice job! Alright, that's all of them. Pick me up.
I got bullets, 398.
I'm gonna go return this phone call, so...
I fucking nailed that first guy in the fucking head with that shotgun shot.
They should not have pushed us like they did.
Jesus Christ, Carl.
Hello.
User left your channel.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I just need a med kit, really. Where the hell did the other guy's body go?
I don't know. The guy you shotgunned?
Yeah. Okay, he's on the other side. Good deal. I'll grab it. Do you want the SCAR or do you want the AK as your backup? Okay, I'm probably better with the AK, so toss me that. I'll drop the SCAR. I put the attachments on the gun, so there's already some attachments on that gun.
Hurry this up, we gotta get going, guys.
Yeah, there's 50 rounds of 5.56.
Get in the car. Still at 4 times, Tom?
What's that?
You got it 4 times, right?
I have 4 times, yes.
Good job of picking me up. They should have pushed.
So the one guy that smashed Mode, right? He shot into the closed. They shot at me after I got Mode up, but I moved to the side of the door when they shot. So he went to reload and was standing in the doorway, and I shot him in the head.
Yeah, and then the guy who knocked you down was sitting there reloading when I got him too.
Honestly, right side of these buildings. And just let's get in there, let's med up, let's get situated, and then figure out what we're doing.
How about I stop way over here and let you take an energy drink real quick before we charge those buildings?
I'd rather really get into position
okay,
first.
that's fine.
If you see a car or something outside of it, just peel off. Let's not go hard engage. But yeah, just park on the east side of those 2 buildings there. Looks burned out. Just look right in here.
It's almost like I've done that a bunch of times.
Anyone have an extended mag for a machine gun?
Sub?
Machine gun, yeah. Any machine gun.
Oh, sorry, man. I do have an extra 4 times, though.
Oh, baby. We should move the car though with us because the circle's not in.
Just move that as well.
Take a US versus a Dacia? Okay. I have a gas can, or nope, not anymore. Never mind. No. I'm working this circle.
Okay. I've got 120, which should be fine. Yeah, that's right. Carl left.
He's on the phone.
Yeah.
Which means we'll see him in an hour or 2. I can't understand.
Anyone need a fresh level 2 helm?
No. Yeah, my body armor is a little shot. I am actually gonna go grab that. There's extra 5.56 sitting on the ground here.
I'll grab it. I need it. Where's the
I
set?
have one.
Where is the circle closing from the north? Okay, looking north. Fucking windows. Half tempted to pop that door open. I didn't get my extended mag.
Fernie had people in it because some of the doors are open. I can see a couple buildings in. There are open doors.
Are you outside?
No.
Vernie? Yeah, and the... Okay. Where's the vehicle? There's the buggy right there.
It's on our south side.
Anyone silence that can shoot? No, the buggy. Anyone silence can shoot that buggy wheel out?
What buggy?
Okay, if you look north, just outside Severny, there's
Hold
a buggy.
on, I have an ump. I will shoot it out.
I wasn't lined up in time, dude. Well, they know we're here now, so...
Another buggy coming at us head on from the north.
Shooting the stupid windows.
South. It's circling around the east now. There was a guy on the back of that, wasn't there?
I'm leaving this stupid building. This building sucks balls, dude. Peace out. Thank you.
I'm in safety, but I need cover to the west.
Yeah, I'm on him. I'm on him. I'm putting
Nice
rounds at him.
headshot. I need pickup quickly. I'm dying
Oh shit!
really fast,
Shit!
guys.
Are you in the circle?
Yes.
Are you inside or outside?
I'm outside. I'm in cover. Oh, baby. Good job.
Yeah, he's right here on the back of this tree.
He just knocked out 2 guys.
Yeah, I see him. I
I
see him.
see him on the ridge
He's gonna
line.
go. Yeah, he's gonna go pick up his buddy. I'm gonna go run him over.
Let's go. Go, 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 go. Push, push, push.
He's at 300 off me, to the right of this tree. Second tree. There he is.
Got him. What the fuck up, bitches? Gotta move. There's a Tommy gun on this guy, but we don't have time.
Go and run right for the US. Oh, we'll just run this in. Okay, just hand him out when you can.
One and 1 med kit. I wish I'd had time to grab that Tommy gun. Fuck. I'm almost out of 5.56, or sorry, 9 mil. I've got 29 rounds of 9 mil, and that's it. It was. They dropped. So the buggy had 2 guys in it. Both those buggies. He dropped 1 guy on the ridge over here,
And then his buddies ran up.
and the other 2 got out of the other buggy.
Okay.
I grabbed 1.
Got him. Where are you going,
They're
bro?
shooting just southwest. We should really be flanking north and then south.
There's 9 mil right here, Tom.
Where?
On this table. 15
you
rounds.
just grab it?
Yeah, it's just 15 rounds.
I mean, that'll at least get me back to 1 magazine.
Oh, I've got 68 for you, dude. I had some for my pistol. On the start of game. If you slow up, I'll hand it off to
Let's
you.
cover in the rocks over here, and then you can hand it to me.
That's what I'm looking at right now.
That group, I think, just moved up from firing range. All right. No.
No.
Not
The
the
group
group we
that's been
killed.
firing.
The group that's shooting up over the southwest hill.
Oh, that's Demon. I'm running to you, Tom.
Thank you, dude. Do you need a cheek pad for a sniper?
Got one already. I don't like it at all, dude. I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Go circle around north, maybe? North side on the ridge up here. And, yeah, go northwest over the ridge. And get out of the valley.
14 people left in the circle? What?
South, yep. These trees give us pretty good cover from the south, though. We need to
Oh,
clear,
there's buildings and that's what it is.
clear west and north. If somebody was on this north side, they would have shot us. Like,
Not necessarily, man.
dude, I'm telling you right now, the blue is pushing in, we would see them moving. Like, this north side ridge is really good for us. Okay, that's southeast.
Knocked him out.
Right in front of me. Got him.
This guy had a car 98.
I'm good. I have multiple.
Where did
got
these guys
20.
loot?
All right, we have 7 guys left, and they're likely southeast. So let's push this side, this southwest side, and clear it.
Don't worry about it, dude. We got tons, man.
Did you guys hear me? Let's push southwest.
We're pushing that way right now. I think, right? Yeah.
Because they're on the west fighting right now. Another guy just went down. We can easily get into a good vantage point to shoot at the people coming out of those houses. Yep, I see one southeast. 2 guys. There's 2 guys at that tree. Yep, I tagged him in the ass from the rock. Oh shit, it shifted way east.
Six kills, baby.
He's on that rock right now, I think. Due east. 105. I tagged him 1 time. I think he's the last one alive. He just shot at me. Yes!
I had 7
Fucking
kills.
hey, man, I popped off some in that game.